Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Wednesday, September 17th. Here are today's top headlines. Rivian has broken ground on a new manufacturing plant near Social Circle, Georgia, which will produce the next-generation R2 SUV and R3 crossover. Construction begins in 2026, with vehicle production targeted for 2028 and eventual annual capacity of up to 400,000 vehicles. The EPA has determined that Hyliion's KARNO Power Module is not classified as an internal combustion engine, meaning it will face only local air permitting requirements for power generation installations. This fuel-agnostic linear generator, capable of running on over 20 fuels, enables efficient, low-emission on-site power for applications ranging from defense and data centers to industrial sites and transportation hubs. Wallbox has launched a large-scale EV charging park at Munich Airport, installing 275 chargers as a key step in the airport's long-term e-mobility strategy. The new model features advanced connectivity, modular design, and dynamic load management to provide reliable, efficient charging for high-traffic commercial sites like airports. PowerBank is progressing 3 community solar projects in Nova Scotia, with interconnection results expected within 30 days and construction planned for spring of 2026. Representing about 12.4 megawatts of DC power, these projects are among only 4 awarded under Nova Scotia's program to reach 80% renewable energy by 2030 and net zero by 2035.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.